it's Sam. I am a Norwex independent sales consultant, and I'm so excited that you're joining me today. I wanted to talk about our window cloth and show you a demo with that. So Norwex is a microfiber company, and we're going to use the Envirocloth, and you can watch a previous video if you want to learn more about that, as well as the window cloth together today. So these two cloths together, Norwex sells them in a package for some savings. People that host a party get both of these for free, so that's a great opportunity there for you. What I'm going to do is use some butter, and I'm going to use this to represent the greasy fingerprints, the dog licks, the nose prints, your kids, their fingerprints, toothpaste splatter that might be on your mirrors, your windows, have all those streaks on them from different things going on in your life. And so I'm just going to use this greasy butter to show you how the Envirocloth and the window cloth work perfectly paired together. So I have our Envirocloth here, and it is damp, and I'm going to fold it into fourths, and that way I get 8 different surfaces I can work with and use for cleaning. And then I've got our window cloth here, and this is what we are going to use dry. So most of the time you're going to use the window cloth dry. It does have the backlock agent in it, and you can see that here. It's got backlock. So that's that silver antibacterial agent that works within the cloth to keep it from getting smelly. Most of the time you're going to use this dry, and its job is to basically polish anything you need to a streak-free shine. So you can use it on like your faucets, you can use it on your stainless steel, mirrors, on your windows, on any of that type of stuff. And then with all these Norwex microfiber products, you want to use as much surface area as possible, so you want to be careful you're not scrunching up your cloths. You want to make sure that you're using them flat. Clean the whole thing. And I just love working for Norwex because I get to clean my own home while I make money, which is great. And if that interests you, let me know, because it's a good opportunity. Alright, so you can fold this cloth into fourths. I actually just prefer to use a flat hand and use it like this. And then you're just going to use it dry and dry off the mirror. And when you're all done, you'll see that it is beautiful, streak-free, even after all of that grease that we had slathered all over it. So we've got a beautiful clean mirror, and we're ready to go. One of the things I also love about this window cloth is I can keep it right under my bathroom cabinets here. I just hang it here on a little hook when I'm done. But I keep it under there, and when my shower gets all nice and steamy, and the mirrors get all steamed up, when I get out, instead of grabbing a towel to dry them off, I grab my window cloth to dry them off, and I've just cleaned my mirror while drying it off so that I can get ready to put on my makeup and all that. So it's a great time saver, great money saver, not having to use those paper towels or any of that glass cleaner, all those chemicals you can take out of your home, those strong smells. You don't have to worry about your kids getting into it under the sink. They can help you clean, and it's just a great way to save money, save time, and clean chemical free. Thank you.